Busawa A. On every day I get people on offer from big Akwes camp and Lilwin come, Dr. Likee come say, Poleeno be interview. Me interview for what? Just because it will be a cancer boards and you say, a platform, be did in Pakra can be. No, I don't do that. It's just to promote Kumawood. Into Nipa minim say all born home modern war, edumanim no. Those are the people I'm common and I'm no minding. I didn't come. Oh, Minjay, Migusoye.
Yes, Kumawood no Sikenim.
And one of my idea be doing to me, Miska Cromoka. Mammy, okay.
I text no, I can't say, Sikenim, say industry, not say any idea.
Okay, the American say, on say, on your face now.
Yeah.
A German maybe I want to mean direct money from the work. But on your face, I want to mean ambassadorial deals from other companies. You hear Nana Mark Brown, I will a lot. Meet me, like I said, Ghana, the whole Ghana. You can't celebrate your more ambassadorial deals. I don't know. Tini na so maska.
Fast forward. Why you do my winning guys in your man here for some time now? The big kind. You come in and make them it is or shall say can say we no the win to Kwabina a soft say na the way you want some near the winning you know
Okay.
You win for your one summer.
Pacho Debbie. Me no your spiritual issues are means me can be because me ni hu masem. Until the mechanic said Debbie. Pacho what must say. Me nye hu nipa. Aha, nti me hu spiritual aspect I will be there. Oh, Lilwin is very cool. Lilwin no have been be able to say Lilwin is super cool. Obia is super cool. Me no Obia vibe come. Obia is very cool.
The reason why many wouldn't come away is such that Obia can accept.
Okay.
Nasa issue Akwaba.
Yeah, Akwaba.
I'm a copy UTV. And to quite about one and talk.
Okay.
And one a Twitter.
Okay.
And as I say, big Akwes so Aquacofa, Sase Media.
Okay.
Who is saying? Again, on personal trainer.
The mechanic say it's all good for the game. We are secret and I say you may be so when your competition are ultimate and coming out with your best, what I say. And then all these things now your customer. Don't forget say the name are a project more a Kumawood. See Obia or no, me no, I'm not against the beef and I say I'm not for the beef. Because yeah, can beef, no, they ain't can beef. It's all about Kumawood. And not let me focus. What I say, Obia bo Kumawood. And see, say Obia o Kumawood be a project be and I say ni YouTube and I say ni Instagram and I say ni social media handles be they all ye be now. From now could be on your numbers. But what I say, and say companies and I say other brands everywhere. Obi amanabe lead your more brands. Oh, say no. Kumawood and the ish now nti ope obi leading the brand obe actor from Kumawood obetimi ahwe Lilwin obetimi ahwe big Akwes because those are the people trending obetimi ahwe Dr. Likee obetimi ahwe YUC because Kumawood is trending. That's it. I'm in for that.
Does it mean that I was at every point in time a negative any project Kumawood that big Akwes or on a conforming and
okay.
So, big Akwes ever can say, Lilwin Bonsam and Lilwin you said your professor just guy evil and Casa.
Okay.
What I said, where you pay Bill as someone, our no prior president, Bill and person on a Ibe Activium or person on a Lilwin Activium. And I like it so, and I like it so, and the way back at it. Some you know when you now cost one. Who say obedient or can say, maybe a summer a big place a young hole. Because from one
okay, my friend allegation now all can a on one thoughts. The American says, I no me interviews no kind. Many on and I many are telling an interview no or buy in and out or make his allegations. And I all can say, those people didn't to be so no. no special say obia won the software na say asori a wo kwa ye bompa ye ma no but say obeka say obi ne Lilwin act a ne career bedum ne de nobody ye won go form ne Lilwin act a still they are still doing their thing ekoyi mom nti I'll call and no say a allegation a show business I am me refi a show business yeah Shatawale betimi aba life no me na ni gigi obewie na or the honos just to trend, just to make the name no relevant.
I don't have a problem with trending, what you are saying, but here's the case, it is almost the time for Kumawood. That time is a kind of trend now, and a trend as a healthy enough to project Kumawood.
Now, that's a Shatawale and the trend or trendy baby or on a home, or match it to stage and a whole lot. Huh? So you're talking about
we were talking about Jaco say attended here it was no good it is attended here prania and yet then I say a friend say
in Rusem okay the American say and only issues are a surrender the omo canon. What if say it's not true? What if it's just to bring attention to the movie industry?
Does it mean that Big Akwes was dying? Because say oh come near say we went through that. Make us say Kumawood industry near onya a friend say onya Akwes and Big Akwes because all and he's trying to
resolve it.
Yes,
okay, that's how you see it. Okay, Mamin Kawi. Big Akwes interview wasn't like yenye interview na on my Lilwin on my platform.
No.
Me ne Big Akwes interview, my chasing for over a year now. My friend interview Poleeno the assembly brim. I was like, oh, yenye. And see, Omutra Columbia series. You or UTV every Saturday 7 p.m. Kwapi and a producer on here is Salinko Boys Abre. And see, Omutra na me call setting so to promote the project. And see me call now say me actors ni be there kasa also. And see me no tell kasa and obey. Ti obey mu no na obey making a comment. I was like, okay, fine. Any say what by interview him there, then we have to sit down and talk. And see yeah kasa no and then now they Lilwin issues say then a poppy up. So it wasn't like yeah said that someone say on my tenacity no one say Lilwin now find the trend. A poppy up.
But at the end it means Big Akwes have got something about Lilwin if they are for long.
And then top case so released this song say na Big Akwes say PBB free Lilwin on the way na. Oh, so obi a Canadian. Me, I don't know. I'm yet to even interview Nana Top Key about this song now. Yeah, same man.
And he said, "What are you about you? What was somebody you see just last week? Now say, Osha said you can't say me for okay, Mrs. Here. I mean, you call for a buffo.
Okay.
You call for a buffo.
Okay.
And me, this song it is just a song, but I mean, I'm here. We say, me no share 10% flair.
Yeah, hope you say Andrewsa. Yeah, hope you say Andrewsa because like I said, show business.
Well, yeah, in this time, Lilwin, Big Akwes, that crew need now. One more year to my pa.
Obi a year Juma. Like I'm talking no, Lilwin a year papa no. I think last week or last 2 weeks. Why me boy? Last yeah, but Kumasi and all Lilwin said so like for 3 days or 4 days. Mene Zion ne wa nyina na corset ne so oye adwuma gidigidi. Ye kwa akra so Big Akwes adwuma gidigidi. You hear Matilda sorry so obi a adwuma like everybody's working. Dr. Likee also adwuma gidigidi. Set be adwuma.
And how do you
oh, it's not like I'm doing promote but
yes, boys no do like it.
Cheche Kumana 3940.
Good.
Oh, for I'm not the passion was. Oh yeah, meaning said yeah, no, yeah. And the meaning.
But that then almost someone called Lilwin said so Lilwin has no need for them.
boy shake and pacho, Cecilia, you are working, right?
Yes.
Or eh. Now, Memphis say 20 best or eh. The same time now or eh. No, after us, a boy shake and pacho, very panel number one. Ube Jawa Juma. That's the same thing. Obi a age man, two friend me, I miss me age man. How can I come and work for you?
And who like Lilwin BBN?
Oh, there will be BBN.
Are we?
Almost yeah, almost. I think say after issue now.
No. After issue, they say, okay, yes, but I mean, you say only in the year Juma. That is what we are looking at because allegations are probably about being now. And who can say no? Camp boss and the is how.
Sinino, if we be camp. That issue now, I think say Omaka, and then we are hoping say it be free. Obia want to camp. Director Bia will cast on your year Juma. Pachawati Masi. And he say, Director any cast way in the year Juma. Uncle for be me bone room. Nikiru no oiding. And I said, characters no oiding. O push you. Ahanti, a sad no na, a wo sana. Obia can ye no so come home. So ye Poleeno multimedia fat you and say. Ye bet come once a mile behind the ram and of when you're home, then ye nimpenny for so casa de the right measures are mother to why a very resolving you may be now on my as it stands now, Miyokumasi may try some many the big people and I said the Kumawood founders no ever casa and you bury the way forward to Kumawood movies. It's not just for training in a interview say we can say oh what now YouTube now oh geez no. Busawa on every day I get people on more from big Akwes camp and Lilwin camp ne Dr. Likee come say Poleeno be interview. Me interview for what? Who are you? What I said just because it will be a cancelment balls and you say a platform be did in Pakra can be no I don't do that. It's just to promote Kumawood. Into Nipa minim say all born home modern war ejumanim no. Those are the people I'm common and I'm no minding. Edin common. Poleeno_com Instagram and YouTube so Poleeno multimedia and TikTok ya about TikTok Poleeno_com sir. But na me kono nana samwa ye bill asamwa me di to just say ne maame Efrim nyambo achina ye kosie no e wa asante mampon enti me tonkra say adofo ana say fan bia o follow bill asamwa bia no omra emejaye. I'm a manager at the law so or for UK buy and change this car on and also over sort to any rate. Or that's pounds on her. Pounds on her. Okay.
Olia.